a quick look at Google Meet, then you will have received a Google Meet meeting invite in your email inbox. So go into the email and you'll find a Join with Google Meet button in there. Or alternatively, if your invite has made a calendar entry, then you can go into that and you can use the same button from within there. So clicking on the blue button will take you into a holding page where your camera and your microphone should connect. If your web browser asks you permission to use your webcam and microphone, then please grant that permission, and then it will either say on the blue button ask to join or join now. Click on that and it should take you into the meeting. So in my meeting, my host has currently got their webcam and microphone turned off. There is my host in the middle of the screen, and I'm shown over here on the right hand side. You're going to want to know how you can possibly mute or turn off your webcam at certain points during meetings, and that's these first two buttons here. You could turn on captions if you want to be able to possibly read what people are saying during the meeting. A nice touch is to send a reaction button. So clicking on that gives you some options where you can give a reaction within the meeting without speaking, and others will see whichever icon you decide to click on. The little hand button as well is a useful way of getting the host's attention that you want to have your say or ask a question during the meeting, and the host will see that you've popped your hand up. The little three dots here just takes us into various settings, including things like applying visual effects and backgrounds to your image within the meeting. The little I button will just show you the meeting URL if you need to send that to anybody else and bring them into the meeting. The little people icon here shows a list of everybody in the meeting, so you can see who's currently attending, names, etc. And then if you want to see the chat that is going on within the meeting, if anybody sends a message, then that and your ability to send your own messages will be behind that little icon there. Your host may well ask you to present your screen during the meeting, so other people in the meeting can see what you've got on your screen. So that button is this one here, rectangle with a little arrow in there. If you click on that, it will just ask you, do you want to present your entire screen, just a piece of software from within your screen, or just a tab from your browser? Presenting your entire screen is usually ideal because then you can switch between different applications whilst you're presenting. And then finally, just to leave the meeting, of course, when you're done, little red telephone button there.